Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran. So in today's video I'm going to create this beautiful makeup look that you can see on my face right now. So I'm going to create this beautiful makeup look and this is yet so simple and easy also, and I hope you guys will like this look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, now I'm going to start with my makeup. So first of all, I like to use a really good lip balm क्योंकि lips को moisturize करना is really important for me. So just apply a good lip balm on your lips. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my favorite moisturizer. So this is the one that I'm gonna use today. So it's called the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. It will give you 12 hours of like moisturization. So it's really lightweighted and good for oily skin. So I'm gonna apply this much of amount on my skin. This is a really good moisturizer. You can definitely give it a try. Okay, so moisturizing is done. Now I'm gonna quickly apply my makeup. So for that I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetic Primer. So this is the product that I'm gonna use first. So you have to take a good amount of it and just apply on your last pores. So मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अपने T zone पे apply करूँगी. In the next step I'm going to use a foundation. So for that I'm using this one. So this is called the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This much amount I'm using. So for blending my foundation I'm going to use this PAC 252 brush. Guys, while blending my foundation, I want to talk about a really cool app that I came across these days. So let's just talk about that first. हेलो माय लवलीज. सो आप लोग को जैसे कि मैंने बताया था कि आपके साथ मैं बहुत अच्छी एक ब्यूटीफुल सी ऐप के बारे में बात करनी चाहती हूँ. सो इस बारे में मैं आपके साथ डेफिनेटली अभी बात करूँगी. सो गाइज, इंडिया में पहली बार हम जैसे अमेजिंग वुमेन्स के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी सी ऐप लॉन्च हुई है जिसका नाम है पंखुरी. येस गाइज, उसका नाम है पंखुरी एंड उसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती है. उसमें आप मास्टर क्लासेस भी ले सकते हो जिसमें आपको मेकअप, स्किन केयर, ऑल्सो आपके जिस तरीके की भी डाउट हो मेकअप, स्किन केयर जैसी चीज़ों के लिए आप डेफिनेटली उसमें अपना डाउट पुट कर सकते हो एंड दे विल एक्सपर्ट विल आंसर यू गाइज. एंड ऑल्सो आप पैसे देकर मास्टर क्लासेस भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो जो कि स्टार्टिंग 11 रुपीज़ से होकर 500 रुपीज़ तक ही जाती है. सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही अफोर्डेबल है एंड आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल सकता है. वहाँ पे आपको मेकअप, एट होम स्किन केयर, एट होम हेयर स्टाइल एंड ऑल्सो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती है जैसे कि नेल आर्ट भी होती है वहाँ पे. सो आप डेफिनेटली आपको जो भी सीखना है आप वहाँ पे जाके सीख सकते हो. आप वहाँ पे जाके आपका सारा डाउट्स भी क्लियर कर सकते हो. आपको बस अपना क्वेश्चन ही पुट करना है एंड आफ्टर दैट एक्सपर्ट विल आंसर यू एंड दे विल सर्व एवरी प्रॉब्लम दैट यू हैव. As I said earlier, you can also join masterclass by giving 11 to 500 rupees. This is really affordable and you will learn a lot of things. Trust me guys, I'm using this app and I'm really liking the way it feels and also it will give you every solution of any problem that you have related this kind of news. So आप definitely वहाँ पे जाके ये आपको definitely चेक करिए. आराम से आपको प्ले स्टोर में मिल जाएगा. गाइज, अभी तक अगर आपने पंखुरी ऐप नहीं डाउनलोड किया है देन प्लीज डाउनलोड इट. आई विल गिव द लिंक इन माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल. सो आप डायरेक्टली जाके डाउनलोड कर सकते हो एंड आपके सारे सवालों का जवाब आपको डेफिनेटली मिल जाएगा. Guys, nicely I applied the foundation. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer over my problematic area. So today I'm going to use this concealer by Swiss Beauty. So it's called the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and I am in the shade 04.
And in the next step to set my concealer, I'm going to use my all-time favorite compact powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me one. So I'm going to use this brush, powder brush, and I'm going to blend it all over the concealing area. So in the next step I want to bronze up my face a little. So for that I'm using this Sugar D-Force bronzer. And now it's blush time. You guys know how much I love to apply blushes because they just change your whole look, and that's why I really like to apply blush. And this one is by Wet n Wild. You guys know I can't do without grooming my eyebrows, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just grooming my eyebrows to look more presentable and it just changes your whole makeup game, you guys. अगर आपने अभी तक eyebrows को groom नहीं किया है, then dude give it a try, you're gonna love it. And now I will do my eyeshadow. So for that I'm using my Goody palette. So this one is by Swiss Beauty. I'm gonna use this shade to apply on my crease so that my eyes will look a little warmed up, and this is a really good shade, you guys. After that I'm gonna take my Nykaa palette, and I'll give everything in the description box below, and I'm taking the shimmery shade to apply on my mid part and also on my inner corners. And after that I'm gonna take this first shade that I applied on my crease and I'm just gonna blend it out so that it will look seamless. And in the next step I'm going to pick the same eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty, and I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and I'm gonna create a really good wing liner, or you can say soft wing liner. Then in the next step I'm gonna coat my lashes using a really good mascara, and this one is my all-time favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise one. So this is a really good mascara, you should definitely give it a try. It just adds a lot of volume, and you guys know how much I love the volume on my eyes. So after that I'm just applying a lip liner, and this one is by Wet n Wild. I'm in the shade Chestnut, I guess. So again I'll give the link in my description box below. This one is a really good like nude pencil, like brown nude kind of a pencil.
So guys, now I'm going to apply highlighter. So this is the highlighter that I'm going for. This is a Wet n Wild highlighter and I'm in the shade Precious Petal. I don't know why this is so underrated, but this is a beautiful highlighter. Trust me guys, I love this highlighter. Guys, you can clearly see my makeup is fully done. So now I'm going to just fix my hair and then I'll be back. So guys, this is my final finished look and you can clearly see the makeup. This is so simple and yet so easy. I hope you guys will like this makeup look, and if you like, then do create this makeup look, and also follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here, and comment down below what other kind of a video you want me to make. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.